Are you struggling to generate lead for your business? In today's competitive market, effective lead generation is crucial for business growth. Check out these 3 tips to boost your lead generation efforts. Number 1, define your target audience. Clearly identify your target audience, including their demographic, their interests, their pain points, and understanding your target audience will help you tailor your lead generation strategy to reach the right people. Number 2, create compelling offer. Develop an offer that provides value to your audience, whether it's a free ebook, a discount, and exclusive content. Compelling offer incentivize prospects to share their contact information. Number 3, optimize landing page. Ensure your landing pages are optimized for the conversions. Use persuasive copy, clear call to action button, and minimum form field to make it easy for visitor to take action and submit their information. Thank you for watching this and follow me for the more. Thank you.